Four alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. Question 1. The possible chemical reaction among the following is. This question is asked for the annual exam September 2019. Option A is FeSO4 plus Pb gives rise to PbSO4 and Fe. Option B is zinc sulfate plus Fe gives rise to FeSO4 and zinc. And option C is AgNO3 plus Cu gives rise to CuNO3 twice and silver. Option D PbCl2 plus Cu gives rise to CuCl2 plus Pb. And the correct answer is AgNO3 plus Cu gives rise to CuNO3 twice plus silver. To understand this question, we have to understand the reactivity series of metals. Reactivity series is arrangement of metals in the descending order of their reactivities. It means least reactive metal is placed at the bottom and the highest reactive metal is placed at the top. For example, potassium is highest reactive metal and it is placed at the top, and gold is least reactive metal and it is placed at the bottom. In reactions, highly reactive metals displaces the least reactive metals, but less reactive metals cannot replace highly reactive metals from their positions. With the help of mnemonics, we can easily remember the reactivity series. Mnemonics is: please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. This mnemonics, please stands for potassium, stop for sodium, calling for calcium, me for magnesium, A for aluminium, careless for carbon, zebra for zinc, instead for iron, try for tin, learning for lead, how for hydrogen, copper for copper, saves for silver, and gold for gold. In this chart you can see potassium, sodium, lithium, barium, strontium and calcium can react simply with water, but magnesium, aluminum, manganese, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, cobalt, nickel, tin and lead can only react with acids and not with water. And antimony, bismuth, copper, mercury, silver, gold and platinum are highly unreactive metals. In this question, when we see option A, lead is lesser reactive metal than iron and hence it cannot replace iron from its position. And when we see option B, zinc sulfate and iron cannot replace zinc because iron is less reactive than zinc. When we see option C, silver nitrate with copper can displace silver from its position because copper is highly reactive than silver. When we see option D, lead chloride with copper, lead is more reactive than copper, hence it cannot displaces lead from lead chloride. Therefore, the correct answer is Copper is more reactive than silver, and correct answer is option C. Copper displaces silver from silver nitrate to form copper nitrate and silver precipitate.